Hello and welcome to this video. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the internet has something for everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing the top ways to earn money online. So if you are ready, let's get started. Option 1. Freelancing. The first way to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services to clients around the world, and it's a great way to start earning money quickly. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or have another skill that can be done remotely, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you connect with clients and start earning. Option 2. Selling products online. Another way to make money online is by selling products. You can sell physical products on e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay, or you can sell digital products like e-books, courses, and software on your own website. By creating a product that solves a problem or provides value to your audience, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Option 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn money online. It's a commission-based system where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products on your blog, social media, or through paid advertising. Just make sure to do your research and only promote products that you believe in and that your audience will love. Option 4. Online tutoring or coaching. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can offer your knowledge to others and earn money by providing online tutoring or coaching services. Platforms like Teachable and Coach.me allow you to create and sell your own courses, and you can also offer one-on-one coaching sessions through Zoom or another online platform. Option 5. Online surveys. Taking online surveys is a simple way to earn some extra cash. There are many survey websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie that pay you for your opinions on a variety of topics. It's not a huge income, but it's a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. Option 6. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. You find a supplier that agrees to ship products directly to your customers, and you handle all the marketing and customer service. This can be a great way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. Option 7. Content creation. If you are creative and have a passion for producing content, you can make money by creating content for others. This can include writing articles, creating videos, designing graphics, and more. You can find clients through freelancing platforms or by reaching out to businesses directly. Option 8. Online trading. If you're interested in finance and investing, you can make money by trading stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies online. There are many platforms that allow you to invest with a small amount of money and start earning a profit. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and do your research before investing. Option 9. Digital marketing services. If you have experience in digital marketing, you can offer your services to businesses and earn money by helping them reach their target audience online. Services can include search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. Option 10. Podcasting. Podcasting has become a popular medium for sharing information and telling stories. If you have a unique perspective or expertise in a particular subject, you can start a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, advertising, or by offering premium content to your listeners. Option 11. Virtual events and webinars. With the rise of remote work, virtual events and webinars have become a popular way for people to connect and learn. If you have a skill or knowledge in a particular area, you can offer virtual workshops, webinars, or online courses and earn money by charging admission. Option 12. Online bookkeeping and accounting services. If you have experience in bookkeeping and accounting, you can offer your services online to businesses and individuals. With the right software and tools, you can provide these services remotely and earn a steady income. Option 13. Selling stock photos and videos. If you're a photographer or videographer, you can sell your stock photos and videos on platforms like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. You can earn money every time someone downloads one of your photos or videos, and it's a great way to make passive income from your creative work. Option 14. Online marketplaces for handmade goods. If you are crafty and have a passion for making handmade goods, you can sell your creations on online marketplaces like Etsy and Redbubble. You can create custom products like clothing, jewelry, home decor, and more, and reach a large audience of customers looking for unique and handmade items. And that's a wrap for the video. I hope this information has been helpful in showing you the many ways to make money online. The key to success is finding something that you're passionate about and that you can turn into a profitable business. Best of luck in your online ventures. Thanks for